Let's exercise exercise to C number one. So, in this data set, we want to find the median. Okay. Uh, n divided by 2, uh, the medium term. So this is going to be 16 divided by 2, which is 8. Then we have to select T8 terms and T9 terms, and we want to get average. So T8 term is 019, and the other term is 1021 divided by 2, so this is going to be 1020. This is the median term. So 1 2 3 5 6 7 8. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 is this one, T8, and T9 is this one. So middle term 1020. And part B, find the lower and upper quartiles. So lower quartiles, that is Q1, the process is again n divided by 2, n divided by 4, that is 16 divided by 4, that is going to be 4, and then this is a whole number. Then we are moving to T4, and T5 we need. T4 is 1 2 3 4 1017, and 1 2 3 4 5 also 1017. So we need to get the average, T4 plus T5 divided by 2, which is 1017. 1017 divided by 2, which is 1017 again. So Q1 equal 1017, and upper quartile, that is Q3, n divided by 3 over 4, that is 16 divided by 4 multiplied by 3, which is 12. So that is a whole number. Then we need 12 and 13. So 12 is going to be 9, 10, 11, 12. So 1024 and 1025. So we need to get the average of those two. So 1024 plus 1025 divided by 2, which is 1024.5. So upper quartile is 1024.5 HPA. Question number 2. Rachel record the number of CD in the collection of student in a year. So how many years? How many students in a year, or how many students she may record? So there are 95 students. When you add 3%, so this is a 95 student record. 35 collected 3, and 36 collected 17. Likewise, 37, how many? 29. So likewise. So we want to find the first, second, and the third quartile. So Q1 first quartile is n divided by 2, which is 95 divided by 2. That is going to be 47.5. Then non-whole number, hence round up. This is going to be 48. I think this is a wrong formula for Q1. 9 divided by 4 basically, not 2. So 95 divided. This is 2375. Then not a whole number, round up. Then the term become 24th term. Hence term is 24. So T24. So we have the 24th terms here. Up to here 3. Then we'll go with the cumulative frequency, capital F. This is going to be 3, and this is going to be 3 plus 17, 20, 20 plus 29, 49, 49 plus 34, 79, 83, 83 plus 12, 95. So this is the cumulative frequency curve. So I need 24. 24 is here. To in between 20. So 20 and this is 49. It means 37. So I'm not going to write the okay cumulative curve for a reason. So this is 20. We need 24th term. 24th term is here. So this is going to be T4. The first quartile is 37. And Q2 n divided by 2, that is 95 divided by 2, that is 47.5. It's not a whole number, hence round up. So term is 48. 47.5 round up 48. So now what is the T48 term? So T48, so this is going to be 20 here, 20, 20, 40, this is up to 49 here. It means 48 terms is here again. Q2 also 37. Then Q3, 95 divided by 4 and 3 of that. So that is 71.25, not the whole number, round up. So then term is 70, so 272 is, what is the 272? So up to 49, this is going to be 34. So T72 is 34. The Q3 is 34. Q3 is here, not 34, 38. 34 frequency is 34, 38. Question number 3. This is a number of breakdowns. This is the number of breakdowns, and total number of breakdowns is summation f is 26. Actually, when you look at the variable, variable is either 0, 1, 2, 3. There are no half a breakdowns, 2.5 breakdowns. So basically, this is a discrete scale, 3, 4, 5. The variable is discrete scales, but when we use interpolation, we have to bring into a continuous scale. um, when we bring to the continuous scale, yeah, 0 to 1 in middle we allow, and 2 to 3 allow we continuous, 4 to 3, and there is a gap here, 1 to 2 and 3 to 4. So then we have to get rid of this gap. So we discussed this technique earlier. So we want to get this different. 2 minus 1 is 1, and take the half of it, which is zero point 0.5. Then we are adding zero point 0.5 to this one, this boundary, and we are minusing zero point 0.5 from this boundary. Minus zero point 0.5. Minus zero point 0.5. Now, so this is going to be um, in here we stay with 0, 1.5, 1.5 to 3.5, 3.5 to 5.5. So median number of breakdowns we need to find. Median mean Q2, n divided by 2. Uh, we want to find Q2, n divided by 2, 26 divided by 2, that is 13. Then it is a whole number. Yeah. So by interpolation, we can find the exact value. So we don't need to go for the whole number or non-whole number thing. So straight away we want to find T13 term. So that is the Q2. Now, when you look at this one, where is in the 13? 30 is in somewhere here. Right, so when we take the frequency boundary, one frequency is 0, the other frequency is in this boundary 18, and this value is 0, and this is 1.5. Now 13 is somewhere, so this value will take Q2, the one we need to find. So, or median, let's say M value, median. So then we'll write the interpolation. M minus 0 divided by 1.5 minus 0, and then 13 minus 0 divided by 18 minus 0. So m over 1.5 equal 13 over 18. M equal 13 times 1.5 divided by 18. The value is approximately 1.08. Question number 4. Um, the weight of 31 Jersey cows were recorded nearest to the kilogram. This is scale. The variable is in continuous scale. So there is no issue then. But in the previous sum, it was on the discrete because the number of breakdowns, but we had to turn into a continuous scale to obtain the answer from the interpolation. Now, and it is here, the kilogram is the variable is continuous. However, now this data collected in discontinuous scale, because there is a gap between 9 and 349 and 350, and all everywhere that is just one gap, one unit gap. Then we have to add zero point 0.5 minus zero point 0.5. So add zero point 0.5 and minus zero point 0.5. So then this is become 299.5 to 349.5. Then this is become 349.5 to 399.5. So then 400 minus zero point 0.5 become 390.5 to 449.5. So then this one 449.5 to 5 to 499.5. Then 499.5 to 549.5. And then we get rid of this one, and we have the continuous scale, and we'll do the cumulative one as well. 3 plus 6 9, 9 plus 10 19, 19 plus 26 29, 31. Right, now we are ready to do the interpolation. The first question is q1 now. Q1 n divided by 4. So there were 31. So 31 divided by 4, we need term 7.75 term. We can find exactly because it is interpolation. Now, it means seventh 0.75 when it is it in the ordered data. If it is not, it is also a problem. 204, yes. Yeah, it is ordered data. Now, up to here 3. Then up to here 9. So when it's come to this boundary, it is 3. When it's come to this boundary, it is 9. Then 7 should be in between. So 7 is in between. It means in this between this boundary. So this is 3 and 9. I need 7.75 times. So 3 boundaries 349.5, 9 boundaries 399.5, and I need this value, that is q1. q1 minus 349.5 divided by 399.5 minus 349.5 equal, now we'll come to this side, 7.75 minus 3, then 9 minus 3. Then it's going to be q1 minus 349.5 over 50, 4.75 over 6. So you will get a q1 as 389 final answer when you simplify this one, q1. And then q2, which is median n divided by 2, that is 31 divided by 2, that is 15.5 term 15.5. We have the 15.5 here in between 9 and 19. So in between 9 and 19, I think I'm going to erase this one. Q2 n divided by 2, 31 divided by 2, this is 15.5. So term 15.5 term. 15.5 term in between term 9 and term 19. So it means this one and this one. So I'll bring the scale 9 and the upper bound 9. We need 15.5 here. 9, 19, and the 9 relevant boundaries 399.5. And when it's come to 449.5, there are 19. So 449.5. So I need, this is q2 value. So q2 minus 399.5 minus 449.5 minus 3. 0.5 equal 15.5 minus 9 uh, and 19 minus 9. So when you simplify this one, Q2 you will get 432 kg. Now next one is third quartile Q3. Um, that is all length divided by to 4, and we want to consider third. It means 31 divided by 4 multiplied by 3. That is going to be 23.25 term. So term 20.325. Now to up to term 19 here, term 26 here, it means 23.5 in between. So if I bring in this is 19 and 26, when it is 19, 449.5, when it is 26, 499.5, and we need 23. This is 26, 23 somewhere here. So 23.25. This is going to be Q3. We need Q3 minus 449.5, 20 divided by 499.9 minus 449.5 equal 23.25 minus 19 divided by 26 minus 19. That is Q3 44.9.5 over 50 equal 4.25 over 7. So Q3 you will get 480. And part D asks interpret. So the interpretation is third quartile means two-third of two-fourth of three-fourth of cows. So three-fourth of cows. It means three quarters. In other way, three quarters. Three cow weigh less than 480 grams. And question number 5. When I first of all, when I look at the interval 20 to 30, 30 to 40, yes, interval it is there is a continuation interval. Interval is good, and then the mid value I found out 20 plus 30 divided by 2, 25, plus 40 divided by 2, 35. Likewise, this is the frequency, this is the cumulative one. The first question is find the estimate mean wait time. So question A is x bar is 25 times 6 plus 35 times 16 plus 45 times 30. Sorry, this is 35 times 10. 45 times 18 plus 55 times 13 and 65 times 2 divided by the total number of so it is 49. So we will get an answer of 2155 divided by 49, 44 minutes. Then part B is I need to find the 65th percentile. So then there are 49. Then I want to get the divide by 100 for 1 percentile. I need 65%. So this is going to be P65 31.85 term. I need to find 31.85 term. So that's a 35.85 term. 6 terms, 16 up to 34, 35 in between this. So one boundary is 34, other boundary is 47. Then this is going to be 50 and this is going to be 60. So then 50 and 60, and I need oh sorry, this is I need 31 point, so I'm in the wrong boundary. So 31 is not in between 34 to 47, 16 to 34. So this is 16 and the 34. I need 31.5 term. So this is frequency, and 16 boundary is 40 and 34 boundary is 50. Now I need this one P 65. So P65 equal, okay, P65 minus 40, this interpolation, and 50 minus 40 equal 31.85 minus 16 over 34 minus 16. P65 value is going to be 48.8. So you have to simplify this one. Now part C, only 10% more customers have to wait longer than. So 10% of customers have to wait. It means 90% are served. 90% are served. So let's see that what is the P90 value. So total number of 49 divided by 100 multiply by 49 divided by 100 multiply by 90. So this value has to be 57.8 term. We are talking about 57.8 terms is in here. 57. No, it can't be. That is 44.1 percentile term. Now 44 is here. No, it is here. In between 40, 44, 34, and 47. 34 is going to be 50. 47 is going to be 60. 44.1. So this is P90. So P9 interpolation, P90 minus 50 over 60 minus 50 equal 44.1 over minus 34 over 47 over 34. The answer is 57.8. So according to him, 10% of customers have to wait more than 56, 56 minutes. And according to the calculation, 10% of customers have to wait more than 57.8 minutes, not 56 minutes. Yeah, so 1.522, so there is no gap in this interval, it's good. And this is cumulative starting 4 plus 24, 24 plus 37, 20 plus 50, 20 plus 30, 50, and 63, 73, 83, 83, 81, 89, 100. So this is testing about 100. Now we want to find the 80th percentile. P80. It means total number of frequencies 100, and we are dividing that 100 into 100 pieces, and we want the 80th one. So simply it is 80th. This is cancel out, and 80th percentile is 80. 80th term. 80th term in where? So it is in 61 to 89. 89 and 61 boundary is 2.5. So this is frequency and this is x. 2.5 and 89 is 3. So I need 80th one. So this is P80. Interpolation is P80 minus 2.5 over 3 minus 2.5 equal 80 minus 61 over 89 minus 61. So you will get the answer when you simplify. P80 is 2.84. So we want to interpret this one. So 80% of us have a wingspan of less than 2.84. Part B. Stay by the 90th percent, P90. So P90 in this boundary, 89 to 100. So this is 89 and this is 100. 90th is here. Now we can see that 89 is 3, but there is no upper boundary. I wrote that is infinity, but there is no upper boundary for this one. So because of that, we can't calculate P90. There is no upper bound on this class. For this class, hence it is it is not possible to calculate 90th percentile. It means anything above 89 you can't work out. Anything above 89. Any percentile above 90 is not possible to calculate. Calculate.